Hi guys, we just wanted to share and talk about this really awesome 4G smartwatch that we got for my son. It's super cool. It has not only GPS tracking, but they can voice and text message. It does come with a SIMS card, and it also has parental controls and other safety features. I will activate it and show you everything that this watch can do. Here is everything that comes in the box with the watch. You got your charger, the instructions, how to set up your activation of the watch, and it talks to you about the SIM card that's already inserted. That's right here. So this is what it looks like when you turn it on. So you can phone, you can chat, you can add friends. You've got this, which is your bind. You can count how many steps you take. There's a camera, so that's really fun. And you can voice record. Once you get your watch activated, you're going to download this app that came with the instructions. Here is the Trackino app, and then you'll be able to set up all of your contacts and your SOS contact, which we have already installed here on the phone. It's super easy and so easy to use. So I'll show you that it connects to your phone. You'll be able to call. So can you give my phone a call? As you can see, it's already calling my phone. Super easy. Hello? This smartwatch is so easy to use, and I love that it gives me a peace of mind that I'm able to track him, that he's able to call me, and I'm able to call him as well. This is super nice and extremely high quality, and I would highly recommend.